Oh, man. Holy fuck. So Ebon finally released the graphic novel of Zombie, which is something I've been looking forward to literally all my life. So got this nice huge box that came in today. I knew it was going to be in it, but it's just better. It's just better in person to touch this awesome stuff. All right, straight out of the gate here, we got this awesome. It's a collection of trading cards from Pat. He's a master, an absolute master of portraits, and you got all the character cards. You got Maynard. I didn't want to open this just yet, but yeah, it has the whole crew in here. Ian, all those motherfuckers. I love the faces. No one does portraits like Pat. This is a fucking fact. This is number 42. I have 200. There's only 200 of these sets available, so if you don't have this set right now, fucking get it. Stickers. We have a soundtrack card, which is amazing. Some commentary from Sage Stallone. I'm just looking at this thing. There's just too much stuff to love. Ron Cotton. That's where it all started for me. Man, that's beautiful. Okay, here are 4 different posters from 4 different artists. This looks like slightly remade-ish. It's not quite the original poster because the eyeball doesn't have that eyelash. That is badass, man. Cardstock, too. Beautiful. That's quality right there, man. There you go. Love it. Fucking love it. Frame all these up. Nice little. That's the best part about these packages, because you're not only getting the comic, you're getting a lot of really cool little art pieces that you can frame up into a nice little poster. What was this? I think this is the movie poster. Yeah! See that eyeball? It is beautiful. Oh, man. I love this. I love it. Thick cardstock. Who does that shit? Oh, that's badass. I love that. That's beautiful. There's only 200 of these sets available. And, damn. That's great. That'd be like a really cool, like, fucking blow that up as a poster, put that right on my fucking wall. Fuck yeah, dude. She's like, why don't you open me? I will, Susan. I will. Oh, shit. Okay, so I already opened this. This is the novel. This is what the fuck it's all about right here, man. All 4 issues in this badass hardback novel. It is... I'm going to say it's book number 3 from EIBONPRESS, because I have Romano's other 2 books from EIBONPRESS. But, man, I kind of want what they did with Tales from the Crypt, where eventually you just have all these, like, fucking... I love this fucking company, man. Alright, let's open it. Always slide it from the side. Open it from the side so you don't ruin this beautiful protective cover. Oh, man, there she is. Nice. Man, the quality is nice. I wish I had this cover, though. When this was first released, the first issue, it was this cover. The book can you now. 85. Year of Day of the Dead. Mono, Sean Lewis. I could, you know, fuck it. It's just amazing art. It's literally pages and pages of some of the hardest fucking gore and violence ever. It actually makes me fucking wish that somebody would just read these comics and be like, you know what, we're gonna remake this movie exactly like this, because this shit, look at that, man. It's beautiful. It's man, as I think of dreams, it's beautiful. This whole book is just fucking amazing. Let's see if they have. I never like wraps on mine. I always take off. Yeah, fuck yeah, man. Even under the sleeve, it's fucking. Keep doing that because I love hardback books. Yeah, that's amazing. Alright, what else is there? In this, there's always more stuff with them. Always more, always more. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Fucking bookmarks. These are nice quality, too. That's really cool. You get 4 of these. Back. You got Peter. I just love how every single item in this box is a piece of art that you can frame and just fucking love forever. I like this one. It's awesome. What else did that come with? I'm waiting for this badass gorilla, man, to turn zombie. This was where they picked off. It's a sequel series. After part 4, they started doing their own pickup of the original movie. It's just fucking crazy. We always get notes too. Little love letters to the fans. I appreciate that. Does this open? Sit, you frame shit like that. Man, I gotta get that signed. More awesome artwork from Pat. I always see this out of corner of my eye. I've always wanted, ever since I've seen Dead Hate the Living, I've always wanted a Fulci Lives sticker. Now I have 2. Alright. Something that's really special. Something that's real. This is not going to upload so long. But it doesn't matter. I just love this. The Zombie fucking Production Dossier book. Oh, there's even more stuff under there. Holy shit. This set is worth it. Just fucking buy it, man. This is how everything about this series was thought out like 10 years in advance. This was a comic that was supposed to happen ages ago. So I've known about it forever. And just to see this thing come to life is almost going to make me cry. That's just so beautiful. The work. They really do, man. They're like, what's going on here? Take it, bitch! It's really involved. Like, if you want to know how awesome things are made, like, EIBONPRESS bar none. God damn. Original sketch. That's amazing. Running out of time, so, oh, shit. We got all these awesome posters under here, but I don't know if I'm going to get to them. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, it does open. What the fuck am I doing? Oh, fuck. God damn. Beautiful. Oh, I don't want to do that. Oh. What is this? Oh, wow. Damn. They really give you everything. What the fuck? Oh, that's wicked. First annual festivities. All right, here's the crew. Here is the crew. The crew of EIBON. You got Romano at the top. Here's Steve. Well, no, that's Sean. Why has Sean Lewis got a fucking X in his head? Derek. Keating. I don't know who that other dude is. Where's Pat? Where is Pat? I love you guys. You guys make it worth it to be a horror fan these days. That's it, man. All this. Amazing.